Hello guys, welcome. In this video we will learn how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. So let's start. First we will go to Google Chrome and we will open this person one, and here we will search for Visual Studio Code and now hit enter. Now this first one, we will click on this first link. So now as we have a Windows machine, so we will download for Windows. Now it will automatically start downloading. Now you can see here it is downloading. It will take some time. So now if I go to downloads, so it is downloaded. So I'll show in folder. Now it is right here, so I'll double click on this. Now I will accept the agreement and now I'll click next. Now I will install it in this default C folder, C drive, and I will click next. You can change the installation place. I'll click next. Now click next and I'll click next. So it will automatically add to path. Click next and then install. So it will take some time in installation. So now the installation is complete and this launch Visual Studio is checked. So I'll finish this and it will automatically launch Visual Studio. So from here you can select the themes. So we will select this default dark theme, and this is I'll close this welcome page. So now this is the file explorer, this is the search, this is source control, this is run and debug, and this is extensions tab. Now if I come here, so this is accounts and this is settings, and now we will go to this file explorer. We will expand this and we will click on this open a folder, or you can go we will first create a folder in the desktop and then we will open it. So I'll close this down. I'll close this as well, and now right here I will create a new folder and I'll name this workspace, and now we will go here and open, and now we will go to desktop and I'll click this workspace and open. Now in this folder, now in this workspace folder, you can create more folders and files. Yes, I trust the author, and now you can create files inside this. So in the next video we will be running Python in this Visual Studio Code. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.